Hi guys, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to be showing you how I redid my daughter's bedroom. She has a very bohemian and minimalistic style, very different from my own. And so I'm going to show you where we got everything from and what we did to make over this room. I'm also going to show you the before. Links to the bedding and the wall hangings are in the description. But I'm going to show you what we did and I'll see you on the other side of the video. Okay guys, this is the reveal of the room. It was a lot of work. She has a bohemian minimalistic style, definitely different from what I would normally do, but I wanted to give her what she loved. She wanted basically grays and whites and a touch of orange. And so the minimalistic style was very hard for me because I wanted to put much more into this room, but it came out really well. There's her cat Angelo. He loved it too. The rug is from Ross, guys. I'm gonna have links below to where the bedding is from. I'm just gonna start over here and just kind of take you through where everything came from. Everything above the dressers are from Amazon. The pictures are just printed off of Google and put into frames. The candle holder is from Target, as well as the salt lamp you see there. Most of the pillows on the bed are from Ross or Burlington. Now up here where you see the wall hanging, that is from Amazon. Link is below. Very affordable, very good quality as well. The bedding here, which is a very bohemian, comfortable, really soft cotton feel, with all the ribbons tied at the end, that is also from Amazon, and that is listed below as well. She absolutely loved this room so much, and I really enjoyed doing it because it's so different than what I would normally do. The end tables, I actually recycled those. I painted those. This is the way it looked before. I got it from a thrift store. I removed the dated drawer and added a basket from Marshall's to give it a more fresh and bohemian look. She wanted the cactus plant placed around the room because she loves the idea of how they endure so much and they last forever. We couldn't do real plants in her room because of her allergies, and she's not a fan of faux plants, so we didn't do any plants this time. Added a small orange vase to the end table to match the orange and gold pillow, as well as the orange sweater throw. The orange sweater throw is from Target, and the orange and gold pillow is from Ross. And the pillow was $7.99 and the throw was $24.99. The vase was $7.99. So really good deals on everything. And I did DIY the Bedskirt, just using a regular queen size flat sheet. The two fur pillows are from Marshalls and they were $24.99 for the pair. The two side lamps, one is from Target on the left here, and on the right, that one is from Amazon. Links are down below. Two shams came with the bedding, and the two orange pillows are from Amazon. Links are below. This is a close-up of the Bohemian wall hanging. This is very pretty, very intricately done. Definitely check out the link in the description box if you're interested in getting one of these. Guys, this is the other side of the room. I hung some white curtains all the way to the ceiling where they actually pull down on the floor. This big chair she didn't want to get rid of. She loves doing her homework in that chair. So I just put a couple of pillows on there and a fur throw. Guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. I'm going to resume my Christmas DIYs tomorrow. So I look forward to seeing you in the next one.